Never hit send on an eTransfer only to realize you sent it to the wrong person or for the wrong amount. Don't panic. Canceling a CIBC transfer is possible, and we'll show you how to get your money back. First, you need to understand the conditions for cancellation, and a transfer can only be successfully canceled if the recipient hasn't yet accepted the funds if they've already deposited the money. Unfortunately, it's too late to stop it through the banking system. To cancel via online banking, log into your CIBC account and navigate to the eTransfer section here. You'll see a list of your pending and completed transfers. Look for the specific transaction you wish to cancel. If you're on the CIBC mobile banking app, after logging in, tap on the transfer option, then select activity or upcoming transfers. You should see your outbound transfers waiting for acceptance. Identify the transfer you want to cancel if it's still pending. You'll see an option to cancel or delete the transfer. Click or tap on this option, and you'll typically be asked to confirm your choice. Confirm the cancellation. Once confirmed, the funds will be immediately returned to your account. There are no fees to cancel a pending eTransfer from CIBC. It's a free service designed to protect you from mistakes. Sometimes, if a transfer isn't accepted within 30 days, it automatically expires and the funds are returned to your account. However, you don't have to wait that long for quicker resolution of common issues, such as a wrong email address. Simply cancel and resend with the correct information. And there you have it. Canceling a CIBC transfer is straightforward, provides peace of mind, and ensures your money is safely returned. Remember to always double-check recipient details before sending to avoid these situations entirely.